Director of All India Services Pre-Examination Training Centers, yani AISPETC, code application ba pindrong admission apo coaching class nagbanta civil service preliminary examinations at kumjuru ka main exam jong ka civil service nagbanta kishandang bat kikintay kiba ha ane kibadi na po ka state Meghalaya kata kabadi jong ki scheduled tribes lani scheduled caste kumjuru ki OBCs Yagani ka coaching class jong ka civil service examination 2025 lapanyay langba ka government of Meghalaya ha ka ktin pareng but kinu ki candidates ki bakwa ban apply nang bada kani ka coaching class kabadi jong ka civil service ki day ban dab ya kata kaba arpois nem shajong but kumjuru ki bala pandep ya ka degree examinations har kat ka percentage kabadi sanpho percents but kumjuru nagamata ki applicants ki ba la dep ban leteng nagamata kani ka coaching class kila ban bandap ya ka application forms but pilaru ban one nagamata kani ka coaching class jong usnem arjar arpsau kata kabadi jong ka main examinations but nagamata ka preliminary examination kabadi jong usnem arjar arpsan nagamata ka coaching class kabadi jong ka CS prelims lani preliminary examination 2025 ki applicants lani ki candidate ki haban apply lengba ka UPSC lani ka Union Public Service Commissions katkum kajing betha lani katkum kajing penbei lengba kate ka office kabadi napo Union Public Service Commission Umjuru la betha na kabanta baro ki candidates ki ba la shajit na kabanta kani ka coaching class jong ka civil service ki haban tip hi yala ka jong ka jakasa kata kabadi jong ka hostel facilities handreya kabam pade NIA lani and provide lengba ka center klem kano ka jingsiu bat kumta la karpat ya ki candidates bakin sobha ban pandap nok loy aina ka benta kani ka admission jong ka coaching class jong ka civil service commission but ya ka total number jong ki candidates na ka benta kani ka coaching class kinshim tang new pusan tli ki seats lani new pusan ngut ki candidates ki banyade na ka benta usnem arhajar arpsau bat arpsan hangne la pentip ru na kabenta ki applications ki ba an pediang khadu kan dei hadu khatniu turik ubenai jun arjar arpsau but lagarpat ya ki candidates baro ba phin subha ban apply no shwa kate ka khatniu turik but lada ki number jong ki candidates ki khambun te numla ban pediang shu te ki pediang hadu chis pa arsan ngut ki member but kin haban jit pade katkum ka qualifications but kum juru ka percentage but ya ka application forms phila ban late lani phila ban click longba ka website kata ka bade jong ka mati.gov.in phila ban online lengba kani ka website but phila ru ban pandap ya ka application form ko jong phi but sa submit ha kate hi ka website Kunjurun na kite kichis pa arpsan ngut kan don ka online entrance test bapin yo rung na ka benta ka ni ka coaching class ka bade tang new san teli kisit but ya ki candidates ki ba shajit na benta ka ni ka coaching class and sa penmi ha ka establishment room jong ka mati campus ka bade hapo mauding diang shillong kata ha ka khat khandai tarik Julai ajar sau lani pilaru ban wan lani search longba ka official website kata ka bade jong ka www.mati.gov.in but lada pikwa ban page lani ban download ya ka application form pilaru ban download longba ka ni ka website jong ka mati.gov.in Tilakarpat yaki candidates bapin subha ban shim ya ganiga kabu khanang bapinla ban pankre na kabanta ka civil service kabadika competitive exams kaba juat nani kaba edu hapo kari India ka jongi. Tengah kermen bapila sotu ban na kabanta ki parlok ki badang thamai ngakar pat yapi bapin subha bapin share like ban subscribe na kabanta ki updates kiba thamai.